Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I am going to discuss the very interesting concept of statics. This concept is called chi-square test. And before knowing the concept of chi-square, first try to understand what is the degree of freedom. So degree of freedom is very simple technique, simple method, but just try to understand and just try to correlate with a mean. So like there is a three person A, B, and C. If we know the salary of A and C, so just consider A salary is the 20 and C salary is the 10. So how to identify, how to know the what is the salary of it? There is any method? No. But if I say, yeah, I know the average mean of 3% salary. So like 35 lakhs. Now you can give me the answer of what is the salary of B? Yes. How? Just simple elementary mathematics. A plus B plus C divided 3, that is equal to 35 lakhs. So 20 plus X plus 10, that is 105, and X is equal to uh, 105 minus 30. So X is equal to 75. So here we simply say the salary of X is equal to 75. How? Actually, we know the average salary, average mean salary of A plus B plus C. Okay. So that is the mean concept. But now come to the very common thing. So if we know the average mean of 3%, then be able to identify what is the third one salary. Okay. So now, so what we derive the concept here? If we know the sample mean of, if we know the sample mean of n%, sample mean of n number. So here is a 3. If like 4, 5, 6, 7, that. So here we have to consider that if we know the sample mean of n number, then knowing n minus 1 number is enough to know everything about population or data. So this concept is called degree of freedom. Degree of freedom. Clear? Everyone? Clear? Okay. So now in that concept, what is the degree of freedom here? So df is equal to n minus 1. So what is the n value? N is equal to 3, and what is the n? Df is equal to, that is 2. So what we interpret here, if we know the sample mean of 3 number, then knowing 2 number is enough to know everything about the population data. Yes, some set of data. That is the concept of degree of freedom. Clear? So now just give one more example. Example is, just we have a table age and salary. There is a Okay. So, and we know the average or mean. So what is the minimum number required to fill the complete row of age column? What is the minimum? So just if we know the average, so what is the minimum? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 minus 1, that is 4. So minimum value set, minimum data is required to 4 to fill the complete age column. And same as is a salary column. So if we know the salary of 45 lakhs, so what is the minimum value, minimum row required to fill the complete salary tables, salary columns? So simply you say 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you can easily identify this. Okay, clear? So that is the concept of degree of freedom. Okay, so just in general, if that is table is the contingency table, so in general df is the n1 plus n2 minus 2. n1 plus n2 minus 2, that is the concept of degree of freedom. Clear everyone? Okay. So yesterday exit several company has so the exit poll of the Lok Sabha elections. So how it's work? Just don't go more deeper side. Just understand the, so like there is the three parties BJP, uh, India, and other. Okay. Just for the study purpose, understanding purpose, I give the example. And in Delhi, North Delhi, East Delhi, and South Delhi. Okay. So I want to fill the complete tables, and I know the total 200, this total 125, 175, and 200, and 205, and 210. Okay. So we know the total number of data. So we want to fill the contingency tables, row and column. So how many minimum number required to fill the complete tables? How many number? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 7, 8, 9. So 9. If we know this value and know this, then we easily identify this one. If we know this value, we easily identify this one. And if we know this one and this one, we can easily fill the this one also. If we know this one, we can easily fill the this one also. If we know this one and this one, we can easily fill this one also. So how many minimum numbers are required to fill this table? So just use the degree of freedom. Here is the row minus 1 into column minus 1. So how many row here? 1, 2, 3 minus 1. And how many column? 1, 2, 3. So 3 minus 1. So, 3 minus 1, that is 2 into how many rows here? How many column here? 1, 2 and 3. 3 minus 1, that is 2 into 2, that is 4. If we know the only 4 value for this one, we can easily identify we can fill the complete table. Just we need the only 4 minimum value to fill the complete table. That is the concept of degree of freedom. Clear? Any confusion? No. So now come to the summarized part of degree of freedom. So what we learned here? First concept, if we know the sample mean, know the sample mean of n number, sample mean of n number, then n minus 1 number is enough to tell the complete story. Complete story. And second, if we know the sample mean of two sets, sample mean of number n1 and number n2, then knowing n1 plus n2 minus 2 is enough to know the complete story. Know the complete story. And now third one, that is contingency table. How to fill the contingency? So if we know the sum of rows and column, then DF is degree of freedom is row minus 1 into column minus. So that is the concept of degree of freedom. Clear? Okay. So this is the concept of degree of freedom. Now come to the next more important part of statics, that is chi-square. So why I am talking about the degree of freedom? Just for the knowing to understand the concept of chi-square. That's it. Okay. So how it works? So okay. So lecture may be too lengthy. So next tutorial I will discuss the concept of what is the chi-square. Okay. So I think everyone understands what is the concept of DF, how to interpret the DF if we know the concept of mean, how to find the value of n number of value if we know the n minus 1. That is the concept of degree of freedom. Clear? Okay. So thank you for watching my tutorials. Please share to subscribe among your friend and colleague. So let's dive into the next part of statics, that is the chi square. So thank you and good night to everyone. Thank you.